you can just take the Kansas City streetcar, whatever you want. I'm pretty sure they got buses too. So I just took the KC streetcar, took it up a couple of exits or stops. And I must say, for it to be free, it's real smooth. It's like brand new. Everything in there was brand new. Real smooth, it has some speed to it too. Has some speed to it. The ease is just you hop on, hop off. It stops, you know, like anything else is on the schedule. It stops for like 2 minutes. You hop on, roll, and hop right back off. From my understanding, it will take you from one end of downtown to the river, back to the other end. And you can pretty much go all through downtown by just taking that streetcar. That's amazing. I like that.